How you guys doing? First off, I'm doing great. So I thought I'd do this quick little video. Hopefully it'd be a quick video. I was really excited because I've been wanting this for a long time, and so I got it for my birthday, and I'm really excited about it because this is definitely an adjustable thing for me. For coffee wise, I usually do the standard do the standard coffee, like keep my coffee machine like basic thing. So I'm really can't wait to not only use this but also review on this particular brand. I think I did it with the blender, but let's get to the point. This came in the mail. It's the Hamilton Beach Lex Brew. It's a single serve coffee maker, which means I could just use just the my regular cup, which is my coffee mugs, instead of just using the pot, which for me I feel like it's definitely a difference. And so much for me, I definitely say better. Excuse the background, I am like getting rid of a bunch of stuff. I'll probably do a video of that later, but anyway, I'm really excited that this came in today. It came in really quickly through Amazon, and like I'm just really excited to show you. You got the cleaning the needle. So in here you got where your K cup goes in, and then you got also where your coffee ground go in as well, and so or the funnel and things like that. So I'm really excited because it's a easy to use mechanism, easy cleanup and everything. And it tells you that you can use this single serve or compatible with the coffee ground. Oh, here's it is. Okay, so that's the cake one, and then I have the individual one for the coffee grounds and everything like that. So, like, I can take this mechanism, like, take out the K-cup one and put in the coffee one, and bam, easy to clean, easy to use, and it's got storage to put for the brew basket. And I feel like, to be honest, I like this, and I ain't sorry about that. I like that fact that it has this, and I feel like this is going to be definitely an adjustment for me. Like I said, this is what it looks like. Got the Flex Brew. This was on my wish list for a couple of months, and I think I got Amazon gift cards for well, I got the Amazon gift card for the from the doing for the Avon stuff. When I reviewed a couple of, I might as well tell you now, what I got to review 2 of the lip glosses, which got me a $40 Amazon gift card, which basically in its own bought this. And then I got a couple of Amazon gift cards also for participation. So I used one to buy a book, and then the other ones I bought the K-cups. So this K-cups were pretty much like $19 and some change. They're actually from a company called Perfect Samplers, and this is like their sampler. They sent me like different ones. Some of these I was wondering, are they like alcohol in them and whatever because of the names? But I got some hot chocolate, rum liqueur. I got a peppermint bark hot cocoa. It's not exactly cold and it's not exactly hot, but I can't wait to. I'm gonna probably use one of these. We got some spice chai cyclone, some hot cinnamon spice. I don't know. I didn't know Skinny Girl made anything, but it's a Skinny Girl chai latte. They got basic French vanilla. They even got, I got like some chai combinations, some hot chocolate mostly, This is a Crazy Cups latte. Crazy Cups seem to be the theme in here almost, because they got some, and they got like hot chocolate ones, cappuccino to make, regular Colombian roast, dark roast coffee. I don't know if you guys heard of that. Can't even pronounce it. Another skinny girl. This is a cranberry Cosmo. So I don't. And then I got another skinny girl one. It's like Sangria hibiscus. I really want to try this one. This one sounds good, and it's their tea. That one is. And then they got Hawaiian Kona blend coffee, and then they got more hot chocolate. This is a caramel hot chocolate. I'm curious about that. Got hazelnut. Another Italian. Another Italian rose. It keeps saying that my package is arriving today, but it's already here. So it's kind of funny. Pumpkin spice. I don't even do pumpkin spice for real, but I will try it. And then they got Irish cream, vanilla. This is a sweet strawberries and cream vanilla shake. I'm really curious at that. They have a pumpkin spice cappuccino. And then they got white chocolate caramel. And then these last ones in here, got the Joe's Cup of Cocoa, Banana Foster Flambe. I don't know. It's probably going to be, it's coffee, but I bet you it's going to be really sweet. And then they got Crazy Teas, like a matcha green tea one, which I feel like I need more of the matcha green tea ones. I wish they would have more teas combinations. Then they got a National Geographic Rainforest blend. This is a coffee organic fair trade one. It's bold. It doesn't say exactly what type of coffee in it, so I'm thinking it's just a bold coffee. Dark roast. And what else? The last one is Dunn's River Dark Roast Coffee. So yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna organize these to coffee, tea, lattes, or whatever. But I just wanted to show you guys. I'm really excited, and I can't wait to do a review on these to show you guys these coffees and show you guys what I think about them a little bit. So if you guys got like something similar to this that does also not just only do the K-cups, but it also does the coffee ones, let me know. Also comment below, what is your favorite place to go get like some affordable K-cups. These are 30, so this 30 supply is not, I'm gonna say they're gonna be 30 days, but I know they're not gonna last that long. And so I'm really looking into it, doing like just having these, but I also want to find a place that I can go to get some affordable K-cups. So if you know a place that got a really good deal, that has just a really good deal on K-cups and not expensive, there's perfect samplers right now. They sending me, like, I can create my own variety pack, and I get if I join the Perfect Club, I get 15% off the first order, and then I get 10% off thereafter plus free shipping. And they do have online coupons. I'll put their information down below for those who might be interested in checking out their coffee things. And it ships either post office, UPS, or FedEx. So they say they have fast shipping. So I think I might take a look at their website and see what kind of coffee that they have. And I think I got more than 30. I'll double check the count. But yeah, I just want to show you guys that, to do like a quick little unboxing. I'm just gonna name this my birthday. I don't know. My coffee maker unboxing. And so basically, because I was a Prime member, I ordered this Friday, and it came in on a Sunday. So this video probably will not be up the same day. But I will definitely have this up probably Monday so you guys can see it. So you guys do whatever. And so I'm going to now get this mofo set up. I'm gonna leave it on the K-cup thing. And play around with this, kind of get to know it, read the instructions, because this is my baby, and I don't want to mess this up, because um this is not my first coffee maker purchase, but this is my first like more upgraded amount. I usually do like my mom. When I go with my mom, I usually get like the standard ground coffee. So this one has a best of both worlds. So that way, like if I want to do K-cup that day, I could just put that in. I'm good. If I be like, no, I want regular brewed coffee, I want the grounds, and I could just switch it out, and it's just easy to use. So let me know what you guys think. If somebody has the same brand of this particular one, let me know, and we can yeah, I'm just excited. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you're new, be sure to subscribe. Also, don't forget, I have a birthday giveaway video that is out right now. You could be winning the part one birthday birthday giveaway. I will have another one coming up soon. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.